In engineering and construction projects in the Chicagoland area, the great trend is that it's getting busier. For a long time, certainly the last 6-7 years, you've seen virtually no activity in the public sector and the private sector. It's been very, very quiet, but certainly the economy is on the upswing. People are hiring. People are getting back into the swing of things. For a while, planners that were proliferated the area were non-existent, and now they're coming back. Most of these people were doing odd jobs for the last 4 years, so that's a great trend that we see in the economy and engineering and construction. Well, one of the things that engineers and the construction industry is adapting is the different type of delivery services. You're seeing a lot of very short periods of time. Now that people have money to spend and infrastructure to build, they want it very fast and very quickly in the ground. So we're seeing that you're having to adapt to this new new paradigm, and it's really fascinating because everybody was very slow for so long, and now you're seeing the economy picking up and a lot of people having to do a lot of things in a very short period of time. Well, technology has advanced from the time that I started my company across the street, when I had a computer that has less memory and computing ability than my cell phone, to something today where you're really on the cutting edge. Shows that they have on PBS as an example, where they use scanning devices. Time scanners is the name of the program, and you're seeing that you can do things. You can acquire data. You can manipulate data in an instant, and this is a real big trend and something that's revolutionizing our industry. One of the things everybody hears about on TV nowadays is about drones. The ability of drones to acquire data, survey data, that used to take people to go on the field and take several days, months, depending on the size of the area. This is a huge money saver, and you can get much better, much higher quality data. So we're seeing a big push in that area. Obviously, there's some issues that we have to deal with, but the scanning and the ability to acquire data is something that is revolutionizing our business. I teach at UIC, where I've been a faculty member for the last 13, 14 years. And so you see a lot of emphasis nowadays for young men and women to pursue a STEM-related activity. That's science, technology, engineering, and math. And engineering is getting much more competitive. The universities in the Chicagoland area, as well as the Midwest, the requirements to get in are incredible. But certainly we are challenged to get them trained as in the basics, the physics, chemistry, and math, but also to be able to use some of this emerging technology. So you're going to see that the engineer of tomorrow, the engineer coming out, is going to have a master's degree, have to have some higher level of education than they traditionally would have in the past. Well, we've started this Bike to Work program for the last 6-7 years. We started trying to get people to find a different way of getting into the office. We're centrally located, but still we have people that are coming in that could take advantage of other modes of transportation. So we started this Bike to Work program where we provide an incentive. We actually provide funding for the employees if they drive their bike to work. Same that if they drove their car on a job-related activity. We provide showers. We have 50,000 bike to work miles by our staff. This is not what they're doing on the weekends or after hours. This is just biking to the office. So we have bike racks. We have programs where we teach them how to do quick fixes on their bicycle tires and a lot of other things. So we certainly have done this. Engineers, civil engineers like I am, are providing bike paths every day. And it's good for these engineers to understand the nuance of making it bike friendly, making the roadways pedestrian friendly as well. So it's provided not only a healthier environment, but also an opportunity for the engineers to learn from their trek into the office.